Vive le français! Bonjour mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today we are here together for another rule of etiquette, une autre règle de bonne manière. So this one is very important because everyone knows it. You need to be aware that many French people in fact don't know all the etiquette, all the rules, because there are so many rules. And traditionally, if you go back 50, 60, 100 years ago, there used to be in France many social class. And there was the higher society, they will meet and they will have so many rules. But normal people, maybe even the commercial people, the bourgeois, maybe the other class, they don't know all these rules. They just know the most common rules. So the most common rules. And they will not have to meet at the embassy. They will not have to any official dinners. They will not have all this. So they don't need to know these rules. And today, nowadays, it's also the same. Quite often you will meet with some friends and you will just go to eat outside in the restaurant. So, okay, you need to know the most important rules. Okay, you need to know how to drink, which glass to use. You need to know which fork to use. Okay, you need to know the basic rules. But many rules you don't need to know them. You don't need to know how to eat caviar, or you don't need to know how to cut the cheese, or you don't need to know how to do the service, because you are not going to host any dinner at your home. You're just going to go to the restaurant. So there are many rules people don't know. But today these rules is the one basic rules is how to eat in a polite way in France. So I told you need to sit straight, like I'm sitting now, and then one rule that the parents always say to the kids is you are not a bird, tu n'es pas un oiseau. So it means when you eat, you are not a bird, tu n'es pas un oiseau, you are not going to eat this way. You're not going to eat. This part, the elbow, the arm here, should be stick to the body, like this, you know, and you eat this way. You see, you eat this way. You don't eat this way. You don't eat this way, you know, you eat this way. It's just the fork that's coming up, you know. It's not the whole arm. It's not the whole arm. You're not moving your arm. Your arm doesn't move. Just like this. Oui, très bien. Okay, you're just doing it this way, okay? Just doing it this way. Another thing that people say is you are not a dog. So you are not a dog. Let me show you. You are not a dog. Another rule is you are not a dog. Donc you are not a bird, tu n'es pas un oiseau. You are not a dog, tu n'es pas un chien. Means you are not going to eat like a dog, like this. And in fact, that's a difference in culture, because when you go to Asia, I live in China, and when you see it for the first time, maybe Asian people or Chinese people, they eat like this. And then you think, oh, what's happening? You know, why do they eat this way? It's like a dog. So, like a dog, it means this should go up to your mouth. You are not going to go down on the plate. You're not going to go like this. Man. This is not polite. This is not polite. You should stand straight. You should stand straight. Let me put the camera up a little bit. You should stand straight here. And this will go up. This will go up. Okay? You are not a bird. You are not a dog. Tu n'es pas un chien. Tu n'es pas un oiseau. D'accord? Merci. Au revoir.